God damn, dude, look at this thing. It looks wild. Isn't that crazy? Check it out. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are having a great day. I think we might have a little bit of content, you know what I'm saying?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so we have several things to do in the car. One of them being, see that red part here, there? We got to knock that out. So those are spout welded onto the body of the car. They look something like that right there. So we got to drill those out. I don't have a spout weld cutter, and Amazon is going to take several days to deliver it. So what we're gonna try to do is, well, I attempted to do already. Take a look at that.
Made your own bit?
Yeah. So we're gonna make our own bit. I'm gonna try it again. Or just put that thing in reverse and see what it does. And I'm gonna take it to those two parts right there. And we should be all set. Then we'll be able to add in our new T56 or 4L60 bracket, and it should be good to go. We got to do some unboxing and some special stuff, and like turb skis, and we also got some spark plugs. So these finally came in, and these are TR6 and well known, commonly widely used in LS applications. So we're gonna get these gapped and installed. That way it's one less thing that we have to do on it. But yeah, this didn't work, guys. So we ended up going through one spot weld. We got one done, but it just wobbles around too much. I don't want to waste my time on it, so we went ahead and ordered cutters. Downside is that they don't get here till Thursday. So like I said, we always get held back from parts. Amazon, eBay, all this stuff is just taking forever. So what we're gonna go ahead and do is move on. So we're gonna go ahead and get these, something much easier taken care of. We're gonna go ahead and gap our plugs, drop them in, and then we'll move on to the Terpski. So we have to gap these between 28 and 35. Well, I'm actually gonna go with 28. So what you do is you just plop this in, and then you kind of feel it out. So these are probably gapped to 300ths. So we want to close them up a bit to 2800ths of an inch. So these are all gapped at 2900ths of an inch. So putting a little bit of anti-seize in here just to make sure we don't have any issues getting these removed later on. Let's get down to business. We got our good old Chinese package here. GTX 3582R. Finally came in. We decided to pull the trigger on a good old turbo. Check this out. Oh yeah. That was a good old chunk of metal. Nice. Got a billet wheel on here. Looks nice, dude. That's pretty freaking big.
Fucking holding it like a baby, dude.
Yeah, I know. I love it. I already love it.
You gonna breastfeed it too?
Check it out. Dude, that looks
awesome, dude.
Super nice. It's like really well done.
Yeah, it looks really nice.
Dude.
Like even this, dude. That looks...
Yeah, like they grinded all of the excess, like the cast material.
Looks good.
Yeah. How you feeling?
Damn, that's exciting.
Let's go ahead and mount her on. See what
It's gonna be even more
It's
exciting.
gonna be like right here. Imagine when we have one here, then one here. Ugh. Oh yeah. Dude, this is weird. This is like so weird. Like now that we're like sending it.
Yep.
That's crazy, dude.
We got a turbo in the garage now, dude.
Finally.
Awesome.
Brings back memories from my old turboed car before I blew it up. So let's get this thing mounted on the car, dude. I'm dying to see this.
Oh yeah, same.
On the car. All right, you got it.
It's kind of hurting my fingertips.
All right, you can let it go.
Tunchy, man.
All right. Damn. Might need your assistance again. I got the turbo, just to be damn.
Just to show the people.
Wow.
Look at that.
Beaut. Dude, this is crazy. I'm getting a spun for you. Dude, that looks so good.
Gorgeous.
I think now we might run into a little issue here. I think we're gonna have to maybe clock it this way.
Clock it to the right and left, yeah.
Yeah, just clock it to the right, and then we can run our exhaust straight back.
If anything, we might have to drop the exhaust to come down a tiny bit, and then go out. You get me? Because if it goes straight out, it's hitting it.
Straighten over, so like this way. So maybe have like a 45 here, and then straight.
Yeah, that could work too. That could work.
Dude, that's gonna be.
But I think that might be a good spot to mount them.
These?
Yeah, because this is not an option at all anymore.
See what
I'm
I'm
just gonna melt it.
Good.
Yeah.
But yeah, this is the plan, boys. Check it out. That's gonna look super good. The only concern right now is I might end up returning this elbow and getting a stainless steel one instead of cast. We're not professionals at welding, but at least we would be able to weld that stainless steel one, you know? So since we're probably gonna have some issues with clearance with the radiator, we can only go so far because of the crash bar, but maybe we need like a tube crash bar. So in that way it gives us a little bit more clearance. We can move the radiator forward, condenser forward, then our intercooler will sit in front nicely. And then going back over here, then this will sit just behind our radiator. So from the back of the block to the front, eyeballing it, 35 inches. And the intercooler, or not the intercooler, the in tank sits like right about here. So this is probably like the back of the block. We'll say this is the back. So right on those heater lines. And here's 35. So it's pretty clear. So if we're able to come back like
2 inches.
like, dude, yeah, like 2 inches, dude,
Like
that's
that.
gonna put us like right on the line. And there's our clearance. But yeah, guys, that pretty much concludes today's video. So hopefully we'll get some more interesting content coming up soon and get this thing up and running. We pulled the trigger on a turbo, and maybe we'll pull the trigger on the next one. So again, thank you guys for watching. Please continue to follow Bill. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll catch you guys next time.
Instagram too.
Yeah, Instagram. Catch you guys next time.